Hi everyone! Good morning! Today is our third day magmula nang dumating kami dito sa Japan. And we are planning to go to embassy to renew my alien card. Oh no, not embassy. At the city hall. But it's very windy today and it's very cold. Look outside. And a little bit falling off snow. Very windy and very cold today. So how can we go outside kung ganito kalamig? Look at this building. Very tall building sa labas ng aming veranda. And that one beige building, or I mean yung ano doon yan, yung Jolly Pasta at saka yung pachinko doon. We are here at our veranda. Oh my god, it's very windy. Very cold and very cold today. So I decided to cook hot food like ODEN. Wow, my god, it's already done cook. I put radish and ano to, chikwa, or what do you call this in Tagalog. Tapos nilagyan ko rin siya ng beef. May beef yan inside. And egg. Where is the beef? Nandoon sa ibaba. Ayun. I put gyuniku beef. Hintayin na lang natin si Mister bumibili ng karashi. Malapit na ring maluto yung kanin. Wala kaming rice cooker kaya dito ko na lang siya sinasaing. Let's wait. Ay, very cold. Paano kami lalabas nito? Saan ba tayo magta-time check ngayon? Magta-time check tayo. It's already 11:36 Wednesday. My God. Paano kami lalabas nito para magpa-renew ng alien card? Naipon pa yung mga basura namin, no? Tapos, ang problema namin, itong washing machine cannot operate. Kahapon, naglaba kami, pumunta kami ng coin laundry, Diyos ko. 2,000 yen. Biruin mo, pag every week, 2,000 yen. Di, ilang weeks kami dito? 4 weeks. My God. 4 weeks times 2. 8,000 yen? Wow. Titingin kami na lang bukas ng washing machine na second hand kung mayroong mura. Kasi sasamahan daw kami ng kaibigan ko na may sasakyan. Ay naku, napapabayaan na itong bahay kasi wala kami lagi dito. Nasa Pilipinas kami lagi. Every 2 years lang kaming nauwi dito. Kaya hindi kami nag-i-stock ng kung ano-ano. Kasi yung rice cooker naman namin dito, dinala namin sa Pinas. Kaya ang hirap mag-adjust sa wala. Although nasanay tayo sa wala. Ay, that's it for today. Konting oras na lang, kakain kami ng lunch. And then, lalabas tayo. See you on my next video. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.